Hey guys, let's review Samsung HW-N950 Soundbar. The Samsung HW-N950 delivers a Dolby Atmos and DTS experience with maximum performance and minimum fuss. The package includes a soundbar, subwoofer and separate rear channels, all combined with 2 width drivers and 4 upward firing speakers. The result is a setup that actually does immersive audio unlike any other soundbar on the market. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button right now. The Samsung HW-N950 follows the same basic design style that Samsung has adopted on its soundbars for the last few years. A minimalist but attractive rectangular shape and largely metal construction. The Samsung HW-N950's headline feature is obviously its ability to support both Dolby Atmos and DTS, using a genuine 7.1.4 speaker configuration. The Samsung HW-N950 is extremely easy to set up. You simply place the soundbar beneath your TV, ensuring that nothing is blocking the drivers, and then position the subwoofer towards the front of the room and the surround speakers at the rear. Hope you are enjoying the video. Please support this channel by subscribing right away. The Samsung HW-N950 will set you back $1,699. So it certainly isn't cheap, especially when compared to many other soundbars. However, it's worth remembering that for the asking price you're getting a full 7.1.4 channel system with actual rear speakers and a separate subwoofer. No other soundbar comes close to delivering such an immersive audio experience. And in reality you would need to buy an AV receiver and a full speaker package to replicate the N950's capabilities. The Samsung HW-N950 is simply one of the best soundbars that we have heard to date. Perhaps more importantly, it is the only soundbar that really delivers a 7.1.4 channel immersive audio experience. The use of wireless rear speakers and a subwoofer make the N950 easy to install and set up. It also means that the combination of all these speakers is able to deliver object-based audio, as the content creators intended, without resorting to psychoacoustic trickery. The soundbar, speakers and subwoofer are all attractively designed and extremely well made, while the system as a whole offers plenty of useful features. The N950 detected and decoded both Dolby Atmos and DTS without any issues. So if you're a film fan, then this is definitely the soundbar for you. It was equally as effective with regular soundtracks, not to mention music via both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you truly want to immerse yourself in your favorite movie soundtracks, then the Samsung HW-N950 should be at the top of your soundbar shortlist. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.